Only for your understanding, not necessary to draw next time. What is it?
Sternum.
This is
Clavicle.
and ribs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Topography of lungs. Apex of the lung is 2 centimeters above of clavicle, 2 centimeters above of clavicle, or 3-4 centimeters above of the first rib. And from here, from apex, and posteriorly, it corresponds to the level of spinal processes of the 7th cervical vertebra, that is apex. And anterior border goes to sternoclavicular joint, and then descend. What is this line? What is this line?
Sternal line. Mid-sternal line.
Not sternal, just linea mediana anterior. Mid-anterior line. Linea mediana anterior. And anterior border from sternoclavicular joint descend downward near of linea mediana anterior to the level of 5th rib on the right side. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, to the level of 5th rib. And this is what is this line? Mid-clavicular, and this line?
Parasternal line.
Parasternal. And in parasternal line, anterior border continues to inferior border. Is it clear? This is parasternal line in 5th right intercostal space. Look here. This is thoracic cage. This is linea mediana anterior. This is parasternal line, and this is mid-clavicular. Then anterior axillary line, then mid-axillary line, then posterior axillary line, then linea scapularis, that is posterior, linea mediana posterior, and paravertebral line, near of vertebral column, linea paravertebralis. They are lines on thoracic cage. And now we said that inferior border start in 5th intercostal space on parasternal line, that is larynx. 5th intercostal space in parasternal line, in mid-clavicular line. This is what? 7th
intercostal space.
7th rib. 7th rib. This is 7th. Sorry, 7th. 6, of course, 6. This is 6th rib. Then next line, linea axillaris anterior. In anterior axillary line, that is 7th rib. 7th rib in anterior axillary line. Then mid-axillary line. It is 8th rib. Posterior axillary line. 9th rib. Linea scapularis. 10th and paravertebral line. 11th rib, or spinal process of 11th thoracic vertebra. That is inferior border of the right lung. Now on the left side, the same. 2 centimeters above of clavicle, that is the same like on the right side. Goes to sternoclavicular joint. Then passes near of linea mediana anterior, but is descend 1, 2, 3, 4. It's descend to the level of fourth rib, and at the level of fourth rib, this anterior border goes laterally from midline, from linea mediana anterior, and then descend, and continues to inferior border, in anterior axillary line, linea axillaris anterior, at the level of seventh rib. And then the same, mid axillary line, 8th, posterior axillary line, 9th, linea scapularis, 10th, and linea paravertebralis, 11th rib, or spinal process of 11th thoracic vertebra. That is why inferior border of the left lung start in anterior axillary line at the level of 7th rib. On the right side, parasternal line, 5th intercostal space. That is differences. Why? Because
Cardiac
it
notch.
is heart. Yes, because heart, most part of the heart is on the left side, and left lung surround heart. It is your right, it has cardiac notch, and that is why we have differences in anterior line on the left side, anterior border, and anterior border of the right side. Clear? Posterior border in both of these lungs, posterior border. It's along of vertebral column from level of C7 to level of T11 in paravertebral line, from C7 to T11 in paravertebral line. That is posterior border on the both sides. That is lung. Now pleura. Pleura. Okay. This is pleura. Pleura, the same like peritoneum. Okay, that is lung. And that is trachea, principal bronchi. And this is pleura. Pleura has, we have parietal and visceral.